Hey friends, welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Become part of our home decor family. So in today's video, let's take a look at some blue and gray kitchens. I hope you enjoy these images. I tried to give you all images of things that I truly think are beautiful. Of course, we all have different taste, but these are just some of my favorites. Now, if you are interested in creating a blue and gray kitchen in your home, be sure to check the description box. I have just searched all over Amazon for some of my favorite pieces. All right, enjoy the video. So, with this kitchen, it looks very bright and airy, just very light filled, but it's so funny how the same color combination can give you a bit of dark and moody as well. It really just goes to show this color combination is all about what you decide to do with it. So this is another kitchen I just had to pop in on. This kitchen is fun. Everything from that gold hardware, the open shelving, and of course that beautiful, what looks like tile floor. This would be a joy to cook in. It's so cheery, even though with the color combination, it's still pretty serene as well. So I thought this kitchen was really important to include because now you see it on a smaller scale. This is a smaller kitchen, but it's still very chic and modern, especially with that the navy blue color on your cabinets, as well as those black cabinet kind of pulls and hardware. It gives it more of a modern look. Okay friends, you know why I'm here. There is something beautiful about this stove as well as the oven hood, and look at those beautiful cutting boards. I feel like that is just the perfect wood to have with this color combination, especially that blue and gold. I love this kitchen. You guys know how I am about that stacked wood. It just gives me spider vibes. I feel like something is in there. But this is a very calm, almost a minimalistic kitchen. I like it. I feel like it would be really fun to mop for some reason. Okay, now let's take a look at some of my personal favorites. Also, let me know what your favorites were. I love this kitchen. Now, I'm not a huge fan of galley style kitchens, only because I'm one of those cooks. I need a ton of counter space, but there's something about this one that just looks really chic and I like. So this is another kitchen that I love. Everything from the gold pendant lights hanging down to that really large island in the center. I just feel like I can do so much baking in here. So I feel like this is more of a modern industrial type kitchen. Still, I love it. Everything from that beautiful lighting at the top to those gorgeous leather bar stools. And my last favorite, I tried to give you all four. I love this kitchen. It's like a very glammed up. But have you noticed with a lot of the blue and gray kitchens, even though it is a kitchen, it's the heartbeat of the home. It's very lively. It's also very serene and calm as well. That's what I love about this color combination. Alright guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Thank you for watching And Then There Was Style, but if you want to see more, check out one of these two videos right here. I will see you in the next one. Bye friends and stay safe.